Okay, I'm trying to edit my voiceover. I just need you to hear what this sound is like. Can you hear this? Like that. Here we go. What are they doing? What are they doing? There's a jackhammer usually. The jackhammer just stopped a couple minutes ago. And now they're just... What's he doing? He's just making noise. That's not even a thing. They're not even doing anything. They're just making noise to annoy me. Here's the Ariana Grande cartoon. It's still up from my Live with Kelly audition. You should watch that. The link is on my YouTube. Anyways, well, yeah, no, he's not even shoveling. He's just scraping. You're just making noise to annoy me, aren't you? Stop it! You're driving me crazy! I had to listen to these TIFF parties till 4 a.m. last week. And now you're just... What are you doing? That's not a thing! Just go home! Please? If anybody knows that guy, tell him I hate him.